back in the old days of attribution, and when I say the old days, I mean back in 2010, it was actually easy to connect consumer journeys across the different platforms. That was back when third party cookies were everywhere. That was back before the iOS changes. And that was back before all the walled gardens. You could see through everything. It was incredible. You could capture every click. And we used to have these amazing journeys that you could see and the original platform that I built back in the day. But that was back in the day. I feel like a grandfather telling you guys about how things used to be, how I used to walk uphill 10 miles both ways to get to school, because it's not that way anymore. You cannot see those consumer journeys anymore because of the walled gardens. So how are you as a marketer going to understand how consumers are moving along? But most importantly, about consumer journeys, well, we have to pan back the camera because that's what's happened to us anyway. The camera has been panned back because we cannot get that data anymore. We have to pan the camera back in the world that we're living in today, which is an aggregated non-PII data. And when you use an AI-driven platform like Provalytics, you're actually able to see those journeys across all of the different platforms at a very granular level. And we take all of that data and build out a single source of truth so that everyone in your organization can be doing their job, but using that same holistic information. And then you get finance and marketing talking so that now you can go to finance and actually get a bigger budget to build your business.